Itching to sow your seeds in January in the UK? Here's what you should focus on instead of sowing those seeds. Now, as I've said in previous videos, like a lot of seed packets do say about sowing seeds in January, but I hold off and sow in March. The only ones that I've sown are the chilies, the peppers and the aubergines, but hold off from sowing any other seeds. I wait till March, till it's a bit warmer, and I grow them in my unheated greenhouse. We don't have no heat in there, and they grow perfectly well, so I always wait till March. So at this time of year, what should you be doing down at the plot and in the garden, and what should you be getting done down here? Well, the things that I usually do down at the plot during these winter months is I organise. I get all my seed packets out, and I've got loads of seed packets, absolutely loads. I collect them from everywhere, and yeah, it's hard to keep track of how many seeds I've got. I've got too many seeds, and I should be giving them away with how many I've got. But sort them out, see what seeds are available, and make a list of ones that you need to purchase for this year. Go to a garden centre, have a look around, have a look what seeds they've got and what varieties. And I always look online or in seed magazines to see what varieties are out there. It's great to try different and new stuff, and sometimes that'll grow better than the proper varieties that you see in the supermarket. Sometimes the weird and wonderful ones grow a hell of a lot better, and yeah, it's great fun as well to get involved in growing different veg. And sometimes you can get different coloured varieties which will add some nice colour to the allotment and garden. I've grown purple cauliflower in the past. I'm thinking of growing yellow cauliflower this year to see what it looks like. But yeah, there's some great stuff what you can try growing down at the plot, which will be exciting, and hopefully some new things down at the plot. So organise all your seeds and plan them into what months you're going to be sowing them, and how you're going to be growing them as well, and where you're going to be growing them. Plan where you're going to be growing everything this year down at the plot. So yeah, there's plenty of stuff to be done with organising all your seeds. Plan your crop rotations as well. Don't grow stuff where you've grown it the year before, because that plant will have taken the nutrients it needed for that vegetable and it will have used it up. So grow something different in that area, and also look at adding some food and nutrition into the ground to help put some nutrients back in there, so that hopefully you get some great crops this year. And then as well, sort out your growing spaces, sort out your polytunnel in your greenhouse. Make sure it's all tidy, ready for your sowing season in March, because that will be a busy time for sowing all them seeds. So give it a good tidy up and clear your potting up bench and get it ready for this year's growing. Set some realistic goals. Think about what you're going to grow, where you're going to grow it, how well you want it to grow, and set some goals for yourself. See if you can grow a bigger pumpkin than last year, or whether you're going to try something new and see how well it grows, or try something what's failed in the past and see if you can try it and grow it again. Because stuff does fail. It might have grown fantastic the year before, and then the year after it grows absolutely rubbish. So give it a try and see how well you get on. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and when we're going to be sowing all our seeds this year. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.